Space exploration has always captivated humanity's imagination, but for many decades it was a field dominated by men. Slowly and steadily, women broke through the atmosphere of discrimination and etched their names in the history of the cosmos. From daring astronauts to brilliant scientists and engineers, let's delve into the extraordinary contributions of women in space. Now we will look at some early history of women in space. In 1963, Valentina Tereshkova became the first woman to fly to space, piloting the Vostok 6 mission. As a textile factory worker turned cosmonaut, she showed that women could perform just as well as men in space, completing 48 orbits of Earth. Around the same time, 13 women known as the Mercury 13 underwent rigorous astronaut training in the United States. Despite scoring as high or higher than their male counterparts, they were denied the chance to fly because NASA did not permit women in the astronaut corps until 1978. The NASA era and breaking barriers. Sally Ride's journey in 1983 as the first American woman in space marked a turning point for gender equality in space exploration. Her achievements paved the way for others, including trailblazers like Jude Resnick, the second American woman in space who flew on the Discovery in 1984 and became known for her expertise as an electrical engineer. Mae Jemison, the first African American woman in space in 1992, whose mission underscored the importance of diversity in science and technology. In the 21st century, women like Peggy Whitson redefined excellence over 3 missions. She set records for cumulative days spent in space and commanded the International Space Station twice. Achievements in spacewalks and exploration. In October 2019, Christina Koch and Jessica Meir achieved a historic milestone by performing the first all-female spacewalk outside the International Space Station. Koch also set a record for the longest single spaceflight by a woman, spending 328 days in orbit. These milestones are not just symbolic, they demonstrate that women are integral to pushing technological and scientific boundaries in space exploration. Women behind the scenes of space exploration. While astronauts often get the spotlight, women behind the scenes have made equally crucial contributions. Katherine Johnson calculated the trajectory for Apollo 11's moon landing, proving that women's intellect was indispensable to NASA's success. Today, women lead groundbreaking missions. Swati Mohan played a key role in guiding NASA's Perseverance rover to a flawless landing on Mars in 2021. Engineers like Margaret Hamilton, who wrote the software for Apollo's onboard computer, continue to inspire generations of female coders and scientists. Women in international space programs. Space exploration is a global effort and women worldwide are contributing. Kalpana Chawla, the first woman of Indian origin in space, was part of the ill-fated Columbia mission but remains a symbol of courage and ambition. Anousheh Ansari became the first female private space explorer, funding her own trip to the International Space Station in 2006. Chinese astronaut Wang Weiping delivered a science lecture from space, inspiring millions of students back home. Fun facts about women in space. The first female astronaut selected for a Mars mission training program is Alyssa Carson, who started preparing at just 15 years old. Peggy Whitson brewed the first cup of coffee in space using a specially designed zero-gravity machine. Women astronauts have shown that they are incredibly resourceful. Italian astronaut Samantha Cristoforetti once wore a Star Trek uniform on the ISS, blending humor and professionalism. Challenges and the roads ahead. Despite incredible progress, challenges remain. Women make up just a fraction of active astronauts, and ensuring equal opportunities in future space program is critical. With initiatives like NASA's Artemis program, which aim to send the first woman to the moon, the future looks bright. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are also opening doors for women to participate in the space economy. From orbiting Earth to dreaming of Mars, women have proven that the sky is not the limit. They have shown resilience, brilliance, and determination in conquering the final frontier. Here's to celebrating the incredible women who have shaped space exploration, inspiring the next generation to aim for the stars. I hope you will like this video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. I will meet you in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.